Let's see how to connect two TP-Link routers wirelessly to increase range. This is the main TP-Link router. Now I use this TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi extender. You need to reset this TP-Link router before doing this process. This is the reset button. Now press and hold the reset button for about 30 seconds to reset the router. Now go to the mobile. This is the name of the main Wi-Fi network. And this is the new router Wi-Fi network name. Connect your mobile to the new router Wi-Fi network. Router has Wi-Fi name, password, and all details. Now go to tplinkwifi.net. Now create a password for the new Wi-Fi router admin panel. At this point, you need to change the router setup mode to range extender mode. Now your router will reboot and it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Now go to mobile Wi-Fi settings. And again connect to the new router Wi-Fi network. Now go to tplinkwifi.net again. Now enter your admin panel password which you created earlier. Now this is a list of Wi-Fi networks near your device. Now select your Wi-Fi network, then enter your this network Wi-Fi password. Now the new Wi-Fi network will be renamed and will work as a Wi-Fi range extender. Now this is your extended Wi-Fi network. And the password will be the same as the original network. Internet is connected and it works.